Norwest Manufacturing equipment started back in 1995. We've been in business in the same area for 28 years now. And we manufacture all kinds of agricultural products for farmers, anywhere from potatoes all the way up to hay products. We are very unique in the way that we not only have our own production, but we also are able to order a lot of the products from other companies to sell to our farming customers. When we purchased the company, we were able to do the transition with SAP Business One very easily. We went from old to new. It was very seamless, and we were able to service our customers and continue on with business the way it was done before and not miss a beat.
With SAP Business One, it is a lot faster to go into one screen and use the golden arrow. It will take you to the bill of material. It'll take you to if somebody has it on order, and it does make the job faster.
Since we switched over to SAP Business One, I have found it very easy to use. It was very easy to learn. It has really helped me in my job that I'm able to do more research, do it quicker, and find things that I need to find more easily.
Farming is evolving, and I think that SAP Business One is got so much more potential that we have yet to touch on that is going to allow us to continue with that evolution of farming. So I'm very confident and without any concerns that we'll be able to stay up with that.
The reporting that Consensus helped us find and work with actually gave us the ability to know where we could grow our business, how we can grow our business, and to what level we want to be at. They put together a team that was specific just for our office, and we were able to make it so seamless and so easy and constant support throughout the entire process.
Since using SAP Business One, we now have real-time information that shows me exactly what I need now and in the future, and it's been a big help as far as the purchasing goes.
Having our bin locations put on our pick sheets has cut our missed picks in half.
To me, Consensus is top-notch.
The investment in SAP Business One is absolutely worth it.
SAP Business One, in 2 words, it would be run simple.
With SAP Business One and Consensus, it gives us the information we need to be able to know where we're going to grow, and we definitely see a very bright future ahead.